So this Vani, which we are using for today, actually it is within a certain context. From Baba's discourse, we take out few words and that becomes our Vani. The context is that Baba came on this earth with a certain mission, with a certain purpose, and that purpose was to liberate us from all the bondages, from all the shackles. सब बंधनों से हम लोगों को मुक्त करने के लिए बाबा ने इस धरती पर जन्म लिया. So this celebration of today is a very special celebration because we were waiting, the humanity was waiting for thousands of years for his advent to come on this earth in physical form and to guide us, to liberate us, free us from all bondages. Already Baba said that in the secrets of success, the first point is firm determination, which is the core of this one, is firm determination. So drid, sankalp. Liberation does not happen by itself. For that, we have to prepare ourselves through Sayam, through Satsang, through Swadhyay, through pious resolve, पवित्र भावना के माध्यम से. First we have to prepare ourselves. We must be clear what is our goal, why we are here on this earth. So Baba told the purpose of our coming on this earth is Atma Mokshartham Jagat Hitaya, self-realization and service to humanity. For Atma Mokshartham, he gave us the path of sadhana. He gave us our conduct rules. He gave us our spiritual practices. He gave us devotion. And to practice it regularly with determination, with dedication, alone can strengthen our resolve, can strengthen our determination. Actually, the work is performed by Param Purush alone. जो लोग सोचते हैं कि वो अपनी कुवत से, अपनी हिम्मत से वो कुछ कर पाएंगे, नहीं पॉसिबल. केवल उनकी कृपा, केवल उनका ग्रेस, only by his grace and his wish we can attain our goal. So behind every action there has to be his karuna, his grace, his kripa has to be there. Because only with the help of that grace, that kripa, that karuna, we can attain our goal, spiritual goal, our destination. We can reach our destination. So we should not have any false notion in our mind that, oh, I will do and I will achieve. No, this I is not capable. We can't even control our life. We can't even control our indriyas. How can we reach Parama Purusha? जो खुद ही बंधन में है, वो अपने आप को उससे छुटकारा नहीं पा सकता. We are in bondage. For thousands, millions of sanskaras. You know, Baba, when he gave me Avadhut Diksha, it was in Lake Garden in Calcutta, and after my Diksha, there was a reporting. So Baba came to Jodhpur Park for reporting. So after our reporting, one Dada, he said, ask Baba for Tantric Abhishek. I I did not know what is Tantric Abhishek. I know Tantric Abhishek means coronation, of some sort, but what does that mean? I did not fully understand. And Baba, he told to me, ask Baba for Tantric Abhishek. And of course, I didn't want to say anything to Baba. So Baba said, hey, what is he saying? What is he saying? So then somebody said, Baba, he is asking for Tantric Abhishek. Saying what Tantric. Baba said, okay, come in front of him. So Baba asked me, Baba ने मुझे बोला मेरे सामने खड़े हो जाओ. So I stood before Baba. तो बाबा ने अपनी छड़ी से मेरे जो केश थे उनको बाबा ने टच किया. तो ये केवल उनके टच से मुझे लगा जैसे कि हजारों टन का कोई वेट मेरे माथे से किसी ने हटा दिया. Literally, I felt that somebody has taken away a big load from my head. Physically, I did not feel, I was just standing there. But mentally, I felt that some big physical load had been taken away from my head. And that feeling lasted for 3-4 days. I used to walk on the street in Calcutta from Jodhpur Park to Lake Gardens. At that time, Tiljana was not built. So I used to think, how can I tell this world what a guru's touch can do? Mere his touch, उनके केवल स्पर्श से हमारे जन के जो संस्कार है, जो बंधन है, जो लोड जो हम लोग एक भार कैरी कर रहे हैं, वो एक क्षण में लुप्त हो जाते हैं. तो ये हम लोगों का ये भावना मन में हमेशा रहना चाहिए कि हम केवल उनकी कृपा से ही इस जीवन की जो लाभ है, ये जो समुद्र है, इसको पार कर पाएंगे उनकी कृपा से ही. इसीलिए बाबा कहते हैं बाबा नाम केवलम, गुरु कृपा ही केवलम, ब्रह्म कृपा ही केवलम. दूसरी बात मैं कहना चाहता हूं. I want to say another thing. Here Anandanagar, we are here at Anandanagar. Baba's last 2 songs of Prabhat Sangeet that he gave before he left this world were, one was on Anandanagar and the last one was on Guru. Why? That means that was Baba's wish for us, for the world. He wanted us to not forget what is the purpose for which he came. He came to establish Anandanagar. And he spent 3 years, 1987 to 1990. ये 3 साल बाबा 22 घंटा दिन में काम करते थे आनंदनगर का प्लानिंग देने के लिए. एक चप्पा जमीन के लिए कौन सा पौधा वहां लगाया जाएगा, इसका भी प्लानिंग बाबा used to give. Baba used to give planning even in every inch of land here at Anandanagar. What should be done? What should be planted? What tree should be planted? He even said what color of birds will be attracted in that campus. Some campuses, green birds will come. Some campuses, yellow birds will come. Some campuses, black birds will come. We do not understand Anand Murthy Ji's vast planning that he gave for Anandanagar. I pray to all of you and to the entire organization and to the entire world that they should understand the significance of Anandanagar. Anandanagar is not an ordinary place. And behind the planning of Anandanagar, Baba has a great planning for the entire world. The world will learn from Anandanagar. The world will come here. They will kiss the land, the soil where Baba walked. We should dedicate ourselves to establish this Anandanagar which Baba wanted from his heart. We should do something for this Anandanagar. We should do something to save this world, which can only be saved by establishing this sacred land, which Baba said, I am the Anandamurti of Anandanagar. Please come forward with your whole zeal and whole heart and do something for this Anandanagar, for He came on this earth and he worked day and night, and he gave us love for this world to establish this sacred land. Let us not waste a single moment. It does not matter what post you hold, what power you hold, how much money you have. It has no meaning. It will be thrown like with it by his, if he wants. In 1 second, he will strip you of all your powers. You will be left with nothing. You will be standing naked on the street. You will have no power. Only power is power of Anandamurti Ji. Anandamurti Ji alone can establish the power of this earth. You and I, no central committee, nobody can establish. Only Anandamurti Ji can establish. So let us dedicate our life to his cause and work day and night to fulfill his mission. And I am sure that anybody who will come forward to do this task, the entire world will support us. The entire humanity will support us. And I am already experiencing it. Even my small children, they will do great things in their life because they have the love for Anandamurti. They have love for Baba. They have love, they want to do something great. They will be the saviors of the future humanity. Please come forward and help us, help our Aratara, help everybody to establish this Anandanagar, and Gurukul will automatically be established by his grace, because he already put his hand on my head and said, I have done most of your work. Don't worry, I have done most of your work. You go ahead. Will you be able to do it? I said, yes, Baba, we will be able to do it by your grace. Put his hand on my head and he said, I have done most of your work. Don't worry, go ahead, march ahead. I hope that we will leave from here with a stronger determination, that we won't have to wait for another 100 years to fulfill his mission on this earth. We will do it at the shortest possible time, and he will be pleased, he will smile. Yes, my children have done what I expected from them. Thank you. Namaskar.